Quiet mind, ever kind, quiet heart, brand new start, better your mind. Hear the voice of the universe, black holes are teleporting and stars are colliding, right in front of your very eyes. And this is love, no disguise, magic is true, is available to you and me. In prayer and meditation, kindness, love, peace, unity. Holy Spirit, flood my being. Fears and doubts are now retreating. A new feeling, truth revealing, love's embrace, earth is healing. No more begging, no more pleading. I am speaking, you are here. Designing dreams, fate is intertwining. Your old self fades, new stars are shining. Quiet mind, ever kind, quiet heart, brand new star. Whisper love, let it grow. Watch the world begin to glow. Black holes shift, stars collide. Supernova is by my side. A new dawn breaks, no more divide. A love so strong it rewrites time. Peace awakens, our hearts align. Fears and uncertainties are leaving, giving me a whole new feeling. Creates a fitting truth I'm seeing above the trends. Any love true mends a heart that is broken. No more begging, no more